Migrating your drives from your old QNAP NAS to an updated NAS is a fairly simple process. However, it is important to note that a NAS running QNAP's ext4-based QTS operating system cannot be migrated to a NAS running QNAP's ZFS-based QuTS Hero operating system due to differences in the file systems. QNAP's H-Series NAS comes equipped with the QuTS Hero operating system standard out of the box. While this is an excellent choice for many with features like copy on write to prevent data corruption and self-healing for even greater data integrity, if you want to migrate your drives to an H-Series NAS, you will need to first switch the operating system to the ext4-based QTS. If you specifically want to run QuTS Hero on the new NAS, you need to first back up the data, and then load it onto the QuTS Hero NAS after it has been initialized. First, let's look at what happens if you try to migrate the drives from a QTS NAS to a QuTS Hero NAS. When opening the QuTS Hero interface, notice that the dashboard icon in the upper right-hand corner is red, indicating an alert. If we open the dashboard, we can see that RAID Group 1 in Storage Pool 1 is not active. To investigate further, we can open Storage and Snapshots. A message will show that the disks which we migrated are unreadable on the current system, and then at the bottom of the message, it asks if you would like to create a storage pool on the disks, with a warning that the data on the disks will be deleted if you do this. So we'll select No so that we don't lose any data from the migrated disks, and at this point, I'm going to shut down the NAS. Now, when I turn it on again, I'm going to do so without the drives installed, so it will open with the standard new installation page. At this point, instead of selecting Start Smart Installation, I'm going to select Choose Another Firmware. Here we can either select the latest QTS version or manually upload a previous version. I'll just select the current QTS version and click Apply to install QTS. Once the installation is complete, the NAS will restart. Now the NAS can be migrated to by turning off the NAS, installing the drives from the old NAS, and turning on the NAS. And here you can see the migrated system. Take note that the RAID may need to resync after the drives have been migrated. System migration makes upgrading your NAS easy. Be sure to check out the rest of our videos to better utilize your QNAP NAS.